Good morning! Happy Sunday! We're making French toast. Woo! French toast. Not noon, it's 10:45. It's brunch. Excited for French toast? How's your French toast? How's your toasty, boys?
No.
Good morning, guys, and we're ready to go out in the snow. Eddie's getting ready to go out in the snow for the first time and play. Look how cute you are. You excited? Okay, we're ready to go. Boys, look at mommy and smile. Say snow. Okay, let's go. Eddie, what do you think? What, Eddie? have fun?
Yes, hey, way back.
You're gonna be right back.
Daddy,
Thanks, buddy.
it's got a phone.
I thought you were going to charge it more.
It's not charged.
Just me and you, milk girl time, girly time, it's girly time. Update, guys. Ben is at his mom's house. He took the boys. They're getting haircuts, hopefully. I am going to attempt to make chicken parm. So, let's figure out how to do that. Cut up the chicken. Breadcrumbs ready. Flour, eggs. I got my vegetable oil heating up and my water for my pasta heating up, and the oven preheated to 400. So first I would take my chicken, take a good piece of chicken, right? And then I would dip it in the flour and the egg and the breadcrumbs. I take this and I put it in the vegetable oil. So after I cook them in the frying pan, I put them in this bake pan and I add the sauce to it, and I use Prego, so just put enough for it not to get burnt. I'll put it in the oven, and you can add cheese to this. I got a pot of water boiling, so I got the spaghetti going. Took it out of the oven. This is chicken parm. Yum yum yum. Eddie, how's the spaghetti?
Thank you.
Is it good? Let me see your haircut. Look at mommy. Good night. How was dinner?